Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best budget car washing gun available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Hohigh 200W 50 bar car washer gun. One of the first things I noticed was the high-capacity 20,000 mAh lithium battery, which offers up to 60 minutes of continuous cleaning power on a single charge. This feature immediately caught my attention, as I often find myself cleaning my car and outdoor areas where there's no immediate access to power outlets. The 18D plunger pump and 18mm plunger diameter provide an incredible pressurization system that delivers up to 50 bar of pressure, and let me tell you, that kind of power makes a difference. The water spray reaches as far as 10 meters, which meant I could easily clean the roof of my car and even some of the second-floor windows of my house without needing a ladder. The 3000W all-copper motor with a maximum speed of 20,000 revolutions per minute was another standout feature. Many portable cleaning devices tend to overheat after prolonged use, but not this one. Even after a solid half-hour of continuous cleaning, the motor remained steady, showing no signs of slowing down or overheating. One of the most innovative features of this washer is its dual-purpose self-priming design. Instead of needing a direct connection to a tap, I could use water from almost any source, whether it was a bucket or even a large soda bottle. At number 2 is the 30 bar wireless high-pressure car wash gun. One of the first things I noticed about the 30 bar car wash gun is its cordless design. This feature is a game-changer for anyone who has struggled with tangled cords and limited access to power outlets while cleaning. I found it incredibly liberating to move around freely without worrying about where the nearest power supply was located. Whether I was washing my car in the driveway or cleaning the patio, I could easily maneuver the washer wherever I needed it. The ability to clean anytime and anywhere truly enhances the overall experience, making it much more enjoyable. Equipped with a large-capacity lithium battery, the wireless car wash gun boasts an impressive runtime of 200 minutes on a single charge. I was initially skeptical about how long the battery would last during extensive cleaning sessions, but I was pleasantly surprised. After several washes, I still had plenty of battery life left. The detachable design also makes it easy to store and transport, which is a significant advantage for someone like me who values convenience. I could easily toss it in the trunk for a road trip or store it in a closet without taking up much space. At number 3 on our list is the EAFC 100 bar car wash gun. One of the first things I noticed about the 100 bar washer is its special material waterproofing. This feature ensures that water and electricity are isolated, making the device much safer to use. I felt confident using it around my car and even in damp areas, knowing that the risk of electrical hazards was minimized. This safety aspect is crucial for anyone who has had concerns about using electric devices near water. The large water capacity of this washer was another standout feature. I found it incredibly easy to absorb water from any source, which saved me time and effort. Instead of constantly refilling a small tank, I could focus on cleaning without interruptions. The 100 bar washer comes with a variety of high-quality accessories that truly enhance the cleaning experience. The wireless foam generator was a game-changer for me. It produced thick foam that clung to my car's surface, allowing for effective cleaning. Moving up at number 4 is the 20,000 mAh portable car washing gun. One of the first things I noticed about this portable car washing machine is its construction. The special waterproof material provides excellent isolation between water and electricity, which is a crucial safety feature. I felt at ease using it, knowing that the risk of electrical hazards was minimized. This attention to safety is something I truly appreciate, especially when dealing with high-pressure water devices. The versatility of water sourcing is another standout feature. The machine offers 2 inlet methods, self-priming and faucet connection. I found this incredibly convenient, as I could easily draw water from a bucket when I was outside or connected directly to a garden faucet when I was near one. This flexibility made it easy to tackle different cleaning tasks without worrying about where to source the water. The 20,000 mAh battery capacity is another highlight. I was impressed by the large amount of water it could absorb, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. This feature was particularly beneficial when washing my car, as I could cover a significant area without interruption, making the task much more efficient. At number 5 is the NARI 30,000 mAh 1000W car washer gun. One of the first things that struck me about this pressure washer was its cordless and lightweight design. Weighing significantly less than traditional pressure washers, I found it easy to carry around my yard and maneuver into tight spaces. Whether I was washing my car in the driveway or cleaning the patio, the freedom of movement was a game changer. Equipped with a powerful motor that boasts a clicking speed of 30,000 revolutions per minute and a flow rate of 300 lh, this pressure washer packs a punch. When I first turned it on, I was impressed by the sheer force of the water spray. It made quick work of dirt and grime on my car, leaving it spotless in no time. The 30,000 mAh battery is a standout feature that ensures stable power for extended use. I was pleasantly surprised by how long the battery lasted on a single charge. After several cleaning sessions, I still had plenty of power left, which speaks volumes about its efficiency. The long service life of the battery also means I won't have to worry about frequent replacements, making it a cost-effective investment. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.